We are here at the Suva Eco Lodge, and I'll just give a quick tour to show you guys what it looks like. This is the highway by which the resort is at. Got this pretty place by the entrance. This is the rest of it. Pretty much just other rooms and apartments that they have. Then we got this little statue over here dedicated to the founder of the Rainforest Lodge. Interesting. In the front here we got the main entrance, the check-in office. And then the rest of it is just bures. Oh, you can see the parrots. It's like one of the few places in Fiji you can actually see parrots just chilling around. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's a really pretty place. Very natural, nature giving. Got a couple of bures up here. Yeah, as I was saying, like bures are huts, apartments, rooms, whatever you want to call it. And then there's single rooms. There's the common area here with the pool and all these signs that show different places. Got Manila here. It's like 7266 kilometers. Pretty cool. And we got a little pond at the back. Oop. Can hear the birds. It's a really nice place to wake up in the morning, I guess. All these nature sounds away from the city and stuff. I'll show you what a single bedroom looks like. Pretty nice. Got the bed upstairs. And then all this stuff's downstairs. And then lastly there's this meeting house, meeting room called Valeni Sogo, I'm guessing. And this place has a pretty lake view at the back. This is really nice. I'm not sure if you're allowed to jump from here, but sure does look a good place to jump from and go for a swim. Yeah, it's real pretty.